Hey guys, it's Tucker here from AllStar AirSoft. We got a AllStar AirSoft W Hi-Capa Custom. We got a chrome rail that comes up to the top with a Warfare Edition top rail red dot. Comes with a polymer lower frame, metal trigger, metal slide, metal outer barrel, a threaded outer barrel so if you want to take the orange tip off, an upgraded blue nozzle so it can run CO2 or propane as well as green gas, and safety does function. And it also has the thumb safety so it will not fire unless this duck bill is being pushed. This pistol shoots about 317 to 330 FPS, so about 320 to 330. It does have a 30 round mag and it is green gas. The W Hi-Capa 5.1.